Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to send stars on Monopoly Go. First start, you're not actually sending stars but stickers that are worth stars. So still, it's easy to see how many stars an individual sticker is worth, as each has between 1 and 5 at the top of the sticker artwork. So to send stars, you need to find out which stickers your friend has and send them duplicates. So instead of getting the duplicate sticker, they get the number of stars that sticker is worth. So the process does require a little coordination, but it's a great way to share Monopoly Go stars with a friend if you can figure it out. But just keep in mind that you can only send 5 stickers a day, so concentrate on those with the highest star rating. So yeah, that's how you basically send stars on Monopoly Go. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.